Hello everyone, in this video we are discussing trademark renewal. Trademark renewal helps in keeping a trademark permanent and perpetual by just filing an application with the pre-subscribed fees. The application for the trademark renewal must be filed 6-month period to its expired date. Furthermore, trademark renewal does not modify any of the rights of the trademark holders. Trademark renewal. Nowadays India is growing leaps and bounds as a destination for the purpose of trade all over the world, with a rapid increase in business and commerce in the country. The demand for trademark registration in India is governing day by day. A trademark is a word, symbol, sign or word registration or legalized for the use of representation of the specific product or service of a entity on a company. The illegal use of a trademark that is registered gives authority to the company the rights to take a legal actions against trademark infringement. The registration of a trademark is the most vital features for the company. After the incorporation of the company, the registration of trademark of the company with the registrar of trademark should be done. The registrar of trademark is valid for a time period of 10 years only. Therefore, the authorized companies should always renew the trademark form time to time to retain the rights of trademark associated with the trademark. In case the company fails to apply for a renewal of trademark, then the company can apply for restoration of trademark. In the articles we will restoration of trademark. In this video we will discuss the step-by-step procedure for trademark renewal in India. The process of trademark renewal in India is required to begin at least 6-month period of the date of expiration of the trademark registration of the applicant. The renewal of trademark helps the authorized owner of the registered trademark to keep the trademark perpetual and permanent. The trademark renewal in India can be done as many times and for how many years the owner of the registered trademark wishes to keep the status active and registered for the same. The authorized owner of the registered trademark, in case it fails to comply with the stipulated time period and the fees pre-subscribed for the trademark renewal in India, will lose the registration of trademark and consequently have to bear the adverse effect related with it. Thank you.